In a shocking incident at St. Anthony Poultry Farm in Zambol, Cortalim, two unidentified men, aged around 29 to 30 years, brutally attacked Anil Muthamajhi, 22, and Jhusaya Mandal, 39, with knives. The attack reportedly took place after a dispute over free chicken. Tragically, Anil succumbed to his injuries, while Jhusaya is undergoing treatment at GMC Bambolim. Verna Police Station Police Inspector Melson Colaco is positive of cracking the case soon.
कल उनका जिसका मर्डर हो गया उसका जीजा जी मुझे फ़ोन किया कि मेरा शाला को कोई मार दिया बोल के। तो आज मुझे इधर आने के बाद पता चला कल वो मुर्गी फार्म में काम कर रहा था, कोई दो अनजान आदमी आके उसको मार के चले गए हैं। 4 बार चाकू लगा उसको, सीने में 3 बार और पीछे से पीठ पे 1 बार, और मेडिकल में जाते जाते उसका देहांत हो गया।
क्या नाम था उनका?
उनका नाम अनिल मुठामाजी।
और क्यों झगड़ा हुआ, कुछ पता बोला है?
तो पता नहीं चल रहा है, वो शायद हो सकता है उसमें और एक दूसरा परिवार है, वही बता सकते हैं। अभी तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, पुलिस बताएंगे।
पोल्ट्री फार्म में काम करते हैं?
हाँ, हमें भरोसा है वह पुलिस अच्छा ही करेगी।
Yesterday afternoon at around 12 o'clock, 2 unknown persons they trespassed at the poultry farm of one Mr. Anthony Sequeira, and they attacked 2 workers with knives. And in that attack, one person has succumbed to injuries while the other person is undergoing treatment. So we have registered an offence in this regard, and we have some clues, and we are hopeful of detecting this case very soon.
Anything else you have got to during interrogation?
No, we are on positive lines. We will detect the case.
सर कसे चिकनबद्दल किती ऐकून येयल्लें चिकनाचं?
No, we don't. That could be just under the pretext of buying chicken for free. Just to strike the conversation, they might have entered, but that cannot be a motive of crime because it's a gruesome, heinous crime, and there is certainly a different motive to it, and we are on that, and we will crack the case soon.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.